Greetings of peace and welcome to the Praying the Psalms of Mercy series. The Lord is merciful and gracious, slow to anger and abounding in mercy. Psalm 103, verse 8. Psalm 103 is King David's praise for the Lord's mercies. Do we praise the Lord for his mercy, for his many mercies towards us? Do we even recognize God's mercies in our lives? David prayed that the Lord is merciful and gracious, slow to anger and abounding in mercy. This must also be our praise to God, and it is our call. If we are children of God, then we must be like him. So our call is to also be merciful, gracious, and slow to anger. So what does it mean to be merciful, gracious, and slow to anger with abounding mercy? This particular string of praises to God is repeated several times throughout the scriptures, adding to the weight and importance of these attributes of God. Showing mercy means you show compassion or forgiveness to someone whom you have the power to punish or harm. It is within your power to harm, and yet you show compassion. The greatest example of this is the parable of the prodigal son in Luke's Gospel. The father has every right to punish his younger son for his rebellious behavior, and yet he shows him mercy. He has compassion for the son. How many times do you punish with your words, your silent treatment, or your sarcasm instead of showing mercy? Who do you hold a grudge or unforgiveness towards instead of being compassionate? What would it take for you to be merciful? Can you exercise self-control and be slow in getting angry? This is our call as children of God. There are no ifs, ands, or buts. To be a child of God is very clear. Be like him. Show mercy and compassion. Be slow to anger. And when it is in your power, exercise forgiveness. Then you are truly walking in the light of God.